All right, welcome back. Taking a pill isn't always the best treatment when it comes to pain, and when it comes to migraines, it can be hard to find anything that stops them, but massage has actually shown positive results when it comes to relief.
Jillian Kaplan with Jade Star Acupuncture and Wellness is joining us now to tell us how. Good to have you back, as always.
Very nice.
So informative and helping so many people. So there's somebody out there right now who does suffer from migraines. Sometimes it's chronic, or at least they know somebody who has them, I would think.
Yes.
How can massage help with that?
First of all, massage can do so much more than what people think it does, is just relax. But before we go into that, I'd like to just mention one thing to you guys and here at Morning Blend. I'd just like to take a moment to thank the staff at Morning Blend, you guys that nobody sees behind the cameras, just for helping Jade Star provide a really good way to get the word out, because that's really what we do. We talk about self-care to our patients constantly. We try and let them know that there's other ways that they can help themselves, and this is a great medium to do that, and we just really want to thank you for all these past months of helping us out on that.
Well, you're the one who does the service. You're the one who really fixes people, or not fixes people, but helps people.
Yeah.
We just have the platform to do it,
Yeah.
and we like doing it.
And that's really the best way, because there's other platforms that aren't really the best way to help self-care and other things, but this is really just fantastic.
It's our pleasure to partner with you. That's what we like on this show, is happy things and sort of helping people live a better life. So you guys certainly fit into that.
Yes. So going back to headaches and migraines, there are two different things. A migraine is not a headache, and a headache is definitely not a migraine. Sometimes headaches start and become migraines, but that's really where we try and stop it, is when it's a headache. So there's different kinds of headaches. There's tension headaches, which I'm sure that anybody on the computer can ever contest to, is that it's all right in here, in this area, right in the back of the neck. That's a tension headache. There's, it's pretty much an alarm. A headache is an alarm for when the body is telling you something's not right. I'm not getting enough blood to this part of the area. I don't have enough water. There's across the forehead, right around here, these headaches, those are usually lack of water, dehydration headaches, which are ding ding, Arizona. We have cluster headaches, which honestly comes from having too many strawberries. Sometimes it's kind of funny, and they cluster around the eye, and you kind of feel like there's some stuff. There's hormonal headaches that come from women having hormonal imbalances, men sometimes eating too much chocolate, not enough, this, that. So
where do those present themselves?
The right behind the eye. It's almost like behind the eye. That's when I get it the most, is that those are hormonal, and those can actually be helped around here in the neck area, because there's a big muscle here. But when it really gets to a migraine, that's when we feel at Jade Star is really the worst thing, because I used to suffer from migraines when I was a kid, so that touches us a lot more than other things, that like shoulder pain and this and that. Like headaches, just they
can be paralyzing in a lot of ways.
Migraines definitely are. Headaches, you can keep going with life, but people think they have to. And a lot of times the pills and Advil and all these fun things that I really do adore for basic pain killing, those things perpetuate headaches. So when you take an Excedrin every morning, you're going to take an Excedrin every morning.
It's going to become a habit.
And it's going to become a habit, and your brain, your head will start to actually expect that, and it will create a headache from not taking them.
Interesting.
So a lot of people just keep going on these roller coasters of, I have a headache, I take this, I have a headache. And when they come and see me, they're like, oh, I have a headache, but you really can't do anything about that. And I'm like, oh, you wait.
You're like,
I can do a lot of things for a lot of people. Acupuncture can do a lot of things for a lot of people, especially on headaches and migraines. And when you have a migraine, it doesn't just affect your head, it affects your sight, your hearing, your tummy. I mean, it affects life. So anybody who has migraines, anybody who has any of these things going on, please come see us at Jade Star, because we can help you. And if we can't help you, we can really try to help you help yourself and get your quality of life a little less than what that pounding migraine or that pounding headache hasn't done for you.
And give your body a little relief from all those medicines, right? So massage, how specifically, say massage, does that help somebody with migraines or headaches? Basic thing that I've always been saying is moving blood flow. When you have a headache and you feel like your heart is in your head and it's pounding, that's too much blood, right? So what massage does is it helps
like flow everything down so the blood can get reorganized and do other things and not be so in your head. Sometimes when you feel it like in your temple here, that's a temporal headache. That's actually more of a jaw headache when you're grinding your teeth all day because you don't like your job. You guys don't have any of this. Yeah, exactly. So you have a lot of tension here. That can be done with just opening up the jaw and just helping all that fun stuff. And again, the neck and just flowing and creating more flow.
And real quickly, you can do like a marriage between just the acupuncture with the massage, right?
That's actually the best marriage.
Okay.
Next to chiropractic as well, but that's really a very good thing to combine. And I mean, people come in, they're like, I have a migraine right now, but blah, blah, blah. Then they leave, they have no longer have a migraine. Their head is literally feeling like, this is what I get. I feel like my head is floating. And I'm like, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Jillian, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it.
And right now, Jade Star is offering a $99 new patient special with a 90-minute appointment, which is normally $120. For more information, check out jadestaracupuncture.com, or you can call them at 520-881-0827.